Hi guys, Derek here. So I picked up this item cheap as a return back to Amazon. So this should be the A20M. So I haven't really played around with any mixing printers yet, so this is my first one. So I'll do the unboxing, which I haven't done at all for you guys. So here we go. Okay, so what we got here that's just about to disappear. Okay, so that's just a next day delivery ticket. We have the date of purchase, which was the 29th of September. So still literally brand new. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so they reckon the reason why they sent this one back is because it said that the temperature wasn't reading on the bed, it was minus 14 degrees. So that's indicating already that the thermistor is probably not installed correctly. Only 2-pin plug power cable. It doesn't really, I mean, just because of that he decided to return it. Anyway, so we've got our package list sheet just here. We have okay, so that all seems like it's all standard stuff. A bag of goodies. So let's have a look in here. We've got 2 very small samples of very poor PLA. Damn! We have some cable ties. We have a dear customer thank you, and make sure obviously it's down as 230, not 115, because I'm in the UK.
Are you stupid or something?
And then just a levelling paper. Oh, bit of levelling paper. Never had one of those before that, but I've just been using ordinary paper. And 2 Bowden tubes, or PTFE tubes. Right, let's have a look in here. Right, okay, so we've got a 3M piece of sticky, which I've already gone ahead and got the Ultra Base style bill plate. So I've already got that with some clips, so I won't be using that at all, I don't think. Put that down there. Lift the first tray off. Okay, so obviously packaged well. We've got 2 spool holders. We have, yeah, so obviously we've got the 2-pin plug. It doesn't matter, I mean I've got plenty ordinary, I mean in the UK we call them kettle leads, which are the 3-pin plugs. We've got plenty of them and they're dirt cheap, so the reason for him sending this back because of that is ridiculous. So we've got a scraper. We have some 3M bolts, I think, and obviously a bag of tools and even a nozzle cleaner some tweezers. Okay, so you've got everything in there you need. Here you've got, in this bag, we have, let's have a look. So we've got some more, the backup screw toolkit. So we've got, it looks like a spare nozzle in there as well. And some spare nuts and bolts. Here we've got the 2 filament run out sensors, which I've checked a lot of reviews, and some of these are not even meant to be working, so not too sure about that, but obviously we'll see. 8 gig standard SD card, 8 gigabyte, there we go, right. Standard printer to USB cable, and obviously Geeetech mouse mat. Right, we've got the 2 extruder motors. A bit of a close up on these. So we have the proper beefy Geeetech motors. This obviously looks like a Titan, well, a clone, Titan clone, but this is, it's like a very strong sort of metal, possibly. Well, no, plastic, very strong plastic, feels metal to me. Same with this one, identical, apart from obviously, let's have a look. No, identical, both the right way around. There's no difference in those. We have the Z, so we've got the Z, which is already assembled, hot end dual heater that goes into one. I mean, to be honest, this doesn't really look used at all, apart from testing it. Okay, so that moving this forward and backwards, there's also, it's that you can see it stops in places, so I need to, there is the eccentric nut, so I'll loosen that, because obviously this is a little bit too close. This is just an unboxing video, guys, this is not an assembly video. Just wanted to show you guys it's here, and I am doing an unboxing. Right, okay, so we've got the base plate here. That is the heat bed. This is all encased. All the cables, all the wiring. That also needs adjusting. Yeah, that also needs adjusting. It's very juttery, so it could be a bit too tight again. And look underneath. Now, I've seen some of these. I'm not too sure if I have, but I thought some of them doesn't have this bottom plate on it. It's open, but it doesn't have this bottom plate. So that's a good sign. I'm not going to open it up. I just want to test it. All is standard, all is stock. and we'll go from there. But this is the unboxing of the A20M. As I said, I've got a few. I'm going to do a couple of videos of what I get off of this printer as stock before I start mucking around with it. I'm already contemplating in changing it to a 3 extruder that goes into the 1, as they've released the A20T, which is the tri filament that goes into 1. Obviously I'm going to be playing around with this. I've got it fairly cheap, and I'm going to have some fun with it. So this is my unboxing of the A20M. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Let me know why. Other than that, make sure if you're not subscribed, sub to me. The button's just down there. And always be yourselves. See you later. Bye.